In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a partner on Whop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each page means, and how to complete the application so you can get on the partner waitlist without any confusion. Let's start from your Whop home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account, then head to the main homepage. This is usually the first screen you see after logging in, with your feed and any products or communities you're connected to. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account that you actually want to use for partnering, since all your referrals and activity will be tied to this profile. Once you're on the dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a small drop-down menu where you can access different areas related to your account settings and activity. From that drop-down, you'll want to click on the option labeled Affiliates. This takes you to the Affiliates dashboard, which is where Whop manages referrals, commissions, and partner-related tools. Even if you're not a partner yet, this is the starting point for your application. On the Affiliates dashboard, look for a button or a link that says Apply to be a partner. Click on that. This will redirect you to the Partner or Agency Partners section, where Whop gathers information about you and how you plan to work with creators on their platform. Next, you'll see a Join Waitlist button. This means that Whop is accepting partner applications but reviewing them before approving new partners. Click on Join Waitlist to open the application form. Now you'll be asked a few questions. First, click into the field that asks, what is your primary social username? Type in the handle you use most often to represent yourself or your brand online. This could be your main profile on platforms like X, Instagram, or TikTok. Make sure it's accurate and active, since Whop may check it to understand your presence. Then click into the field that asks, how do you plan on onboarding new creators to Whop? Here, give a clear, honest explanation. Briefly describe how you'll find creators, how you'll introduce them to Whop, and what kind of support or guidance you plan to offer. Specific, realistic plans can help your application stand out. Next, click into the field that asks, have you referred any new sellers to Whop before? Answer this truthfully. If you have, mention it, even if it's just a few. If you haven't, that's completely fine. Just explain that you're getting started. Once you've filled in all the fields and you're happy with your answers, look for the Continue button and click it. This will submit your information to Whop and add you to the partner waitlist. After that, all you need to do is wait for their response and keep an eye on your email or your Whop notification.